Good day, Kabayan. This is Belle of Rei Estates PH, Cavite Property Specialist. Andito tayo ngayon sa Tanza para ipakita sa inyo ang isang affordable project na house and lot for sale near Metro Manila at along the highway na residential house and lot na walang iba kundi ang Cenon Place. Samahan niyo ako ngayon para sa ating Cenon Place Overview Project Presentation and Location. Tara guys! After nating madaanan ang nearest mall na SM Tanza, andito naman tayo sa nearest fast food chain. Pag nakita na po natin ang Jollibee Tanza, malapit na po tayo sa ating Cenon Place. Andito na po tayo sa Cenon Place. Kung mapapansin nyo, katapat lang po natin ang Clean Fuel Gasoline Station. Si Cenon Place ay located po sa Barangay Sahod Ulan, Tanza, Cavite. Tara, samahan niyo ako sa pagpasok natin sa subdivision. Ang entrance gate is just 30 meters away from Antero Highway. So yan po yung national highway natin. Along the highway na residential house and lot, best for working professionals. Andito na tayo sa guardhouse ng Cenon. So silipin naman natin ang loob ng subdivision. Cenon Place is developed by HomeSmart Properties and Development Corporation. It is primarily located along Antero Highway, Barangay Sahod Ulan, Tanza, Cavite. Check po natin ang drone shot view ng Cenon Place. Due to its very strong and booming local economy, there are various industries and companies beginning to invest in Tanza. Because it is highly accessible to Metro Manila and the rest of Cavite. Ang Cenon po natin ay may total na 3.6 hectares for a total of 392 houses only. Kung mapapansin nyo, from drone shot view, hindi malaking community si Cenon. Kaya hindi siya ganun ka-crowded. Because the project is just 30 meters from the main Antero Highway, so it is just one bus ride from PITX via Cavite Expressway. So highly recommended sa mga working professionals natin na nagtatrabaho sa Metro Manila, Makati, and BGC. Ang main road po ni Cenon ay merong lapad na 10 meters. Based dito sa ating vicinity map, papansin nyo na meron po lang tayong 10 blocks sa Cenon. Block 1 to 10. 8 units per cluster, so hindi siya ganun ka-crowded. At ito naman pong minor road na road lot 2 ay may lapad na 8 meters. And dito naman po sa loob, ang ating mga inner road ay may lapad na 6.5 meters. Ang house model natin ay modern design townhouse. Na may available po tayong inner unit na may price range na nag-start sa 2.2 million. At end unit and corner unit na may price range na 2.8 million. Fully energized na rin po ang community. Kung mapapansin nyo, meron na po silang kanya-kanyang kontador, kaya hindi na po uso dito ang submeter. Inside Cenon, we have existing community amenities. like multipurpose hall. Kung makikita nyo, napakalawak po ng ating multipurpose hall. Pwede po kayong mag-conduct ng events like birthday parties and other events ng family nyo. And second amenities natin ay ang children's play area. So, ang mga kids ay hindi na po basta lang maglalaro sa mga kalye. Pwede po natin silang dalhin dito sa playground. So, habang nag-i-event, pwede po natin gamitin ang kanilang children's play area. And syempre, hindi mawawala ang ating basketball court. Para sa ating mga daddy at kuya na mahilig mag-basketball, hindi nyo na kailangan pang dumayo pa ng laro para mag-basketball. Dito lang sa Cenon, pwede na kayong magpaliga. And we also have parking space for amenity area. Ready na din ang ating mga street name signage para madali nating malocate ang unit natin at para sa ating mga deliveries like Grab and Foodpanda. This project has 3 financing available like bank, Pag Ibig, and in-house financing. We only have limited units available. We have RFO, ongoing construction, and pre-selling units. So why invest in Cenon? Syempre, ito ay along the highway na national road na malapit sa Metro Manila at nag-o-offer ng flexible financing like Pag Ibig, bank, and in-house financing. I hope this video provided the insights you need to choose the perfect house and lot for you and your family. For only 10,000 reservation fee, matutupad na ang iyong pangarap na sariling bahay. For more information and updates, just visit our website cenon.reistatesph.com or call mobile number 0917-578-0374. Stay tuned for our next video, house model tour and sample computation. See you again, Kabayan! Thank you for watching!